Hey guys, I decided way back around Thanksgiving to dye my natural dark brown hair with Arctic Fox's Purple Rain. I know that there's some scandals with this brand, but I'm hoping to use a different color next time, and I also bought this dye secondhand and decided that I shouldn't waste it. I've never dyed my hair any color before. The only thing I've done to my hair is relaxers and Texlaxing, but I have dyed my other friend's hair before and I've bleached it and used permanents and semi-permanents. Right now I'm just trying to section my hair and pick out a good YouTube video to watch while I'm dyeing my hair. And here I am mixing the dye and applying it to my bottom half of my hair first. I did some really bad sections, but I know that the dye is super conditioning and I can leave it in for as long as I want, and I also knew that my hair was really dark, so I knew this meant that it would be best for me to get the darkest purple color that I could find, because I thought that a dark purple color would show up better on my dark hair. Here I am taking off the gloves and then I'm rinsing off the purple. I'm showing what it looks like in the tub and how dark and pretty it is. I already greased around my forehead so nothing would stick to. And here's the tub and all the purple going down the drain. It didn't stick in the tub at all and it all rinsed off really quickly. And I just have to rub a little bit out, but there was no issues with it staining my tub at all. And here I am showing you how dark my hair looks. I assumed that my hair would just look black, but purple in the light. Black in dim rooms, but it would have a purple highlight shimmer. This is me waking up the next day. I had put some product in my hair the night before in the previous clips, and this is the next day, which was the day before Thanksgiving, showing my slept on curly hair and how it is slightly purple in the light, and it just mainly looks black. I left it in my hair for an hour and a half that night, and before I had rinsed it out. And here I am about to show y'all the end. I had straightened and brushed out my hair. This is my purple hair in a bun. I took it down so you could see how it basically looks black, but I get some random purple highlights. I really just wanted to try something new, and I didn't want there to be a major drastic change. I had no interest in bleaching my hair at all, but I just wanted to try something funky and see if a dark color would show up at all on my hair as a black woman and someone who has darker hair. A fun little experiment, and I don't see a lot of videos of black women who dye their hair, and sometimes online when you try to look up black women with different hair colors, it's hard to find. So thank you for watching this video, and